Hi, this is Kathleen down Taveros, and I just wanted to share with you a quick journal that I made for one of the spring swaps in our journaling groups on Facebook. There's the spine and the front cover. I repurposed a book from the Dollar Tree and glued on the papers that I printed out. I added a ribbon closure. We have tags inside the front cover with little pockets. And I reinforced the middle with some fabric. And I did use fabric tack glue to glue everything down. This is a folio folder with ephemera in it. The top ones are bookmarks. And then there are two different pockets full of various ephemera pieces that I've fussy cut. And you can pull the pieces out, add them into the journal or your Happy Meal, or just leave them in here to look pretty. Flips open. Pocket on this side with ephemera and a pocket on this side. Opens again. There are two levels of pockets here. All of the ephemera comes out. This is a floral spring theme. Another pocket on the back with some more ephemera. One more folio. This is a pocket right here that you can tuck into, as well as right here. Opens up, and I've included lots of little journaling cards. There's 2 layers of pockets on each side. Cute little library cards. This is also a pocket, and I have included lots of journaling cards in here. And a pocket on the back. Now we've come into the main part of the journal papers. There are 3 signatures that I stitched with the pamphlet stitch. Each signature has different papers. It's all a shabby chic farmhouse kind of roses and faded flowers look. I didn't decorate the journal. I left it very plain so that the new owner could journal and decorate as they wish. I put a photocopy of some vintage sheet music in the middle. Really pretty paper. This one I did add a few pockets throughout the signature. Little library card. And if you want a custom journal, feel free to leave a comment below, and we can arrange an order through my Etsy shop. And the back of the journal. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.